yet to come.
Okay, not paying it. I'm not
Calm
panicking.
and we ride fast.
Yes. Navigation, make sure I don't get lost. Navigation,
We
first
go
part.
slow in the beginning to settle down, and
Right.
then we warm up for 5-10 minutes, and then we hit hard,
I'm ready.
and then we make it before time, before the RV.
You have the other light?
Yes, I'm using the road. I don't think TT is doable today.
The
I'll get the cords. We charge it inside.
yeah.
We're coming up this way. There was just that stoplight underneath it. Yeah, so you see you're here.
Thank you, Sister Ha.
We're going under the overpass.
Do I have to go visit you in
So
Crete?
these off right there. We're not going anywhere. Maybe.
I'm coming to California. We can talk to the media people. All right. How's it going, Howie?
There have been better days, there have been worse days. How you doing?
I'm good.
Did you notice how much taller he is? That's because he's on his,
You get the right shoes for the right.
he has,
I-
he has
yeah.
bike lifts.
Except my headlight broke, so
Oh.
now we're using a substitute. But we will be good. See, the heart rate's only 100.
You're calm.
What's my heart rate?
I don't know. Okay, this will be flashing. There we go. That will be flashing. That way people see me. Is he ready?
I'll back up.
Okay.
Have fun.
All right, let's go.
See ya.
Yes. No?
Okay, they said you go out of here, you turn right, you go over the overpass, and you go straight for at least 30 miles.
Over the overpass, just straight.
So out here,
Yeah,
turn
right.
right, you go over the overpass, and you stay on it, and you stay on
So
it.
after I make the right, I just go straight for 30 miles.
Yes, you might
Okay.
want to double check, but that's what I've been told twice.
I'm going to
But
rely on my navigation to get me lost if they like. Because we did last night. We got lost right at the beginning.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, we're going left or right? They said left. I'm like, they told me right, and next thing you know, we're lost.
Yeah.
But we recovered.
And if you look at their WhatsApp, it was twice.
As soon as the Suburban comes in, we have to shift 2 bikes from the Suburban to this. We can't leave unless we can do that. Because there's no space on the Suburban for Michelle's and Zoom's bike. Zoom's bike is there, Michelle's bike. So we have to shift only 1 bike. That will barely take 2 minutes. And we can.
Okay.
There's not room for another one.
There is one, but Matt's bike will go there.
Yeah, Matt's bike has to go there.
Because
So let's just shift the bike and
Well,
we'll shift the bike on the bottom rack.
2 more bikes got to go up there.
No, one.
No, 2.
Zoom's bike is already there. We just need space for 1 bike. So we take
Okay.
off 1 bike. We make space for Michelle's bike and we
Oh,
put.
because
Yeah.
you guys don't have.
Exactly. So we just
Yeah,
need
okay.
space for 2 bikes on the Suburban.
Got
So
it.
1 bike shifts here on the bottom rack. That will barely
Right.
take a minute
Okay.
at the max.
okay.
And then we can leave and they'll.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I need my radio, please.
Oh, I don't have a radio either.
Somebody give me a radio.
Watch out. We need to move.
Hey guys, they can see. They make Yeah, I'm a baby. So it's all of you
Commander Annie, that's why.
Oh, no.
That's why.
So you live in very and he's supposedly this guy could walk outside. He's mid-90s. But it was definitely warm. What? How's it going to? How's it? Well, what do you call it? Step? You know? 7-Eleven is going to have a bottle
No, you are going under. Someone told me to get on it. No, under.
Okay,
No,
under.
I told you that because
One of the bikers told me that.
okay, yeah.
Double check.
Your address?
And we got that in the light, right? And then she just went, no. And I said, oh yeah, I'm just watching live traffic. I said, right? That's all.
Patty.
Thank you.
Yeah, I guess I'm taking.
Maybe 1950.